You know that online survey is one of the best way to earn some extra money. GetCash for Surveys is one of the best online survey site. There you will get some very best company and their product website to surveys. It's a great way to earn some extra money in your spare time. GetCash for Surveys is featured by many news site. They have hundreds of business wanting and they are willing to pay for your opinion about their product or service. Once you become member, then you can take part their survey and earn money. This program offer many type of surveys such as opportunity to give your opinions or survey through email, live chat or via telephone. And to get you out from behind the computer, you can choose mystery shopper surveys to help business improve their customer service. Some businesses also pay you for referring your friends and family, and they can start completing surveys and earning money for themselves.